Are you looking to create and boost an Instagram page for your business, but you're not sure where to start? Unsure about what it takes to have a professional and growing page? Taller.tech is always here for you. We're here to teach you how to launch and manage a professional Instagram page using the power of AI. These logo samples are created using AI. There are numerous tools for creating logos, but in our opinion, this tool surpasses all others, providing better design. Let's move on to the website, and together, we'll explore a tutorial on creating a logo. In 4 simple steps, you can create your logo in less than 5 minutes. Choose the logo style you like. Add up to the icons you prefer. Choose the colors for your logo. Finally, add your name and slogan. Now you can view all the AI-generated models. You can easily edit it. Let's go and review how to edit it together. This part is the editing section for the name, such as color, size, and style. This section is for configuring the appearance settings of the slogan. From this section, you can choose colors and generate layouts. From here, you can change the selected icons again. Finally, choosing the background color is also among the options you have. This is one of the most practical and user-friendly artificial intelligence tools that we recommend to you. Ultimately, save the logo design, and by selecting one of the site's subscriptions, you can download the original file. You've made a logo easily. Let's move on to the next step.